We have multiplication of polynomials. In the first parenthesis we have binomial because we have two terms. In the second we have three terms, so we have trinomial. How we do this multiplication? We have to multiply every term in the first parenthesis by every term in the second parenthesis. So first we have 2x, and we have to multiply 2x by the whole expression in the second parenthesis, so 2x cubed minus 2xy minus y squared. Next we have negative 3y, and we have to multiply negative 3y by the whole expression in the second parenthesis, so 2x cubed minus 2xy minus y squared. So this is equal. Now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. We have to multiply every expression in the parenthesis by 2x and every expression in the parenthesis by negative 3y. So first we have 2x times 2x cubed. Next we have positive. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. And we have negative. Positive times negative give me negative. We have 2x times 2xy. Next we have positive times negative, so it will be negative 2x times y squared. And now we have negative, positive, so it will be negative 3y times 2x cubed, negative and negative, so give me positive, and we have 3y times 2xy, and again negative and negative, so will be positive, and we have 3y times y squared. So this is equal. First we have to write the number. 2 times 2 give me 4, and we have x times x cubed. So we have the same variable, so we copy variable x, and because we have multiplication, so now we have to just add exponents. When we don't have exponents, it's always invisible 1, so 1 plus 3 is 4. Next we have negative sign. 2 times 2 give me 4. We have x times x, so we copy x, and we have to add exponents, invisible 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. X times x is x squared, and y we have to rewrite. And next we have negative sign. 2 we have to copy, and we have different variables, so we have to rewrite them. And negative sign we copy. 3 times 2 give me 6, and we will write the variables in the alphabetic order. So first will be x cubed y. Next, and we have plus 3 times 2 is 6. First we write the variable x, and y times y is y squared, because when we have the same variable, we copy the same base, we copy the base and we add exponent. When we don't have exponents, is invisible 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. And the last expression we have plus 3y and y squared. Multiplication, so we copy the base and we add exponents. When we don't have exponents, we have invisible 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is equal. Now we have to combine the like terms. We have only one expression with x to 4th power. So 4 to x to 4th power we have to rewrite. Next we have x squared y. And we don't have x squared y. So we have to rewrite x squared negative 4x squared y. Next we have x y squared, x y squared. So we can combine these two terms. One term is negative 2 we have, and the second is positive 6 we have. So we have to keep the sign of a larger number, so we will be positive. And now we have to just subtract 6 minus 2 is 4. And xy we have to rewrite. Next we have x cubed and y, and we don't have any term with x cubed and y, so we will rewrite 6x cubed y, and at the end we have plus 3y cubed. This is my solution.